Hello guys, my name is Deep Turing Lecture. In this video we're going to learn how to secure a firewall with setting up enable password. So that means when you type enable, we are going to get an access from user exit mode to privilege mode, right? So in between that, firewall asks you a password, such as like type in the password, right? By default there is no enable password set up in the firewall, so we're going to set it up. So let's see how we can do it. Just click on secure CRT and it opens up secure CRT. So click on file tab and click connect. There choose serial from the drop down list and select COM7 as the previous setup I've shown you in the previous video, and select 9600 from the drop down list for baud rate and let it be as a default for the remaining ones. So click on connect. There it shows you the prompt, so just hit enter to get access to the user exit mode. Now you can see that my firewall is like newly booted operating system, just like that. You can see that my firewall has no name. That means it's a newly installed operating system. I haven't saved anything, so no configuration is saved in the NVRAM. It's empty, and the RAM is also empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type enable to get the access to the privilege mode, and there the firewall asks you the password. By default there is no password, so to bypass it just hit enter. There you can see now we are in the privilege mode. What you can do is now let's go to global configuration mode by typing configure terminal, and there we are in the global configuration mode. But before getting an access to the global configuration mode, firewall asks you to report anonymously for better solutions. I don't care about that because we are in practice mode, so I'm going to just skip it by hitting tab. There we're going to name our firewall, so host name ASA1. There you can see the name has been changed from Cisco ASA to ASA1. Now let us set up enable password. So I'm going to type enable PASSW0RD and Cisco. Hit enter. There you can see our enable password. So if I say I'm going to go to the running configuration, show running configuration, there you can see that our enabled password is set up just like this one. By default it's encrypted. You know that when we set enable password in routers or switches, there are two options. Either you can set up enable password in plain text, or you can encrypt it with your MD5 hashing algorithm with secret key, or you can use your service password encryption. So here there is no clear text password, so that means when you type an enable password, it's going to just save that enable password and encrypt it with MD5 hashing algorithm or MD5 digest value by default. So I'm going to exit it from running configuration. So I'm going to exit it, and I'm now in the privilege mode. I'm going to exit it from the privilege mode. Now I'm in the user exit mode. So I'm going to type enable and hit enter. Now it's asking for the password, right? If I don't type password and just hit enter, it says invalid password. So I'm going to type Cisco, enter. There you go. There I have an access to privilege mode. So this is how you set up enable password in Cisco ASA, Adaptive Security Appliance. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.